Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use image swatches in Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, just head over in here to your actual app store of Shopify, then search in here for image swatch. Once you have done that, you should be able to see this GLO color swatch variant image. So as you can see right here, they have free plan available and you can actually use swatches on product page, collection page, and all of that. So in here, click on install right there. And then this will open a new tab wherein it will ask for access in order to successfully integrate this application to our Shopify. So click on install right here. Then once you have put on install button, it will install on your dashboard. Now this is what the dashboard looks like. So just head over and make sure to use the theme that you have. So click on go to theme editor. And then it will open a new tab wherein you just need to enable the specific application on your app embed. So by saying app embeds, I am pertaining to that third icon in here on your Shopify editor. So make sure that this is turned on. After that, click on save. And then once you have saved that, head over in here again. Then as you can see, this has changed the look. So what we can do is we can head over and click on sync now right here in order to synchronize the data of our store to this specific application. Once it's done syncing, you can head over and you can see in here some options. Like for example, this display style for this one. So for example, you can use this color or custom image swatch and then it will show for your collection. So click on this full icon right here that can enable the config, and the swatch priority order is as follows, which is the image URL, upload file, to color, and one color. So this is what it looks like right here. We have here this items that has all of this. So head over and click on save once you are done editing this one. So let's head back and then from there, click on save right there. So once it's been saved, you should be able to see it right there and it should be able to be added to your actual store. So from in there, you can also see some appearance collection. And this is what the collection will look like, as well as the appearance product. And this is what it looks like on your product. And you can also see in here product groups. Now for this one, you can click on this add product group. And then you can name this something like casual, since I am having a clothing store. So in here, you can also put in here option name that is visible on your store. So I'll also name this casual. So in here, I choose a product image swatch. And in here, I'll show this in collection. Then I'll show this on the product, and in here I'll just add the product I want to use. So for me, I'll just add these 3 products that I have. And then from in there, click on save right there. So once you have this product group, let's head back right there. So what we can do next is we can head over to our store and we just need to preview what this change has made on our store. So from there, scroll down and you should be able to see in here some featured product. And as you can see, we have now these 3 blocks right here, which means that if you click on this one, you can see another one that are collected or that are connected to the specific product. So let's try to click on this hat right here. And then under this hat, we should be able to see some more products related to them. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.